How to contact Snapchat support team and chat with them so you solve any problem you have on your Snapchat app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to chat with Snapchat support team. So all what you have to do is go to Snapchat, go to the top and click on your avatar, and go to the top corner again and click on settings. Now scroll down until you find I need help. Click on it and it will take you to this page directly. Now as you can see, if you have a question you can write it here, and you can chat with them right here. Click on contact us and now choose the problem that you have. For example, I lost my snap streak, I found a bug in the app, I think my account. Choose the one that you want and click on I forgot my password. And now as you can see, you can contact them from here easily, and you have many options as you can see, and I'm sure they will fix your problem easy and fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe.